Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log in to Robinhood account step by step clearly. First, make sure your phone or computer is connected to a stable internet connection. If you are using a phone, open the App Store or Google Play Store and confirm the Robinhood app is installed. If you are using a computer, open a trusted web browser like Chrome, Safari, Edge, or Firefox. On mobile, tap the Robinhood app icon to launch the app. On desktop, type Robinhood, come into the address bar, and press Enter. Check that you are on the official Robinhood website and that the address is spelled correctly. On the website, click the Login button near the top right of the page. In the login screen, click or tap the email or username field. Enter the email address or username you used when creating your Robinhood account. Click or tap the password field to continue. Type your Robinhood password carefully, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. If you want to avoid mistakes, use the Show Password option if it appears. When you are ready, click or tap Login to submit your details. If you are prompted for two-factor authentication, choose how you want to receive your code. Enter the verification code sent by SMS, email, or your authenticator app. If you are using Face ID, Touch ID, or device PIN, follow the prompt to confirm your identity. If you see an error message, recheck your email/username and password for typos. If you forgot your password, select Forgot Password and follow the reset instructions. Open the password reset email from Robinhood and click the reset link if required. Create a new strong password and save it somewhere secure. Return to the app or website and try logging in again with the updated password. If your account is locked or you cannot receive codes, select Help or Contact Support on the login screen. Never share your password or verification codes with anyone, even if they claim to be support. Avoid logging in on public Wi-Fi, and log out if you are using a shared device. After a successful login, confirm you can see your account home screen or portfolio page. Review any security alerts or device authorization prompts and approve only if it is you. Go to Settings and enable additional security options if available for your account. Keep your app updated and your browser current to reduce login problems. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.